Hello and welcome to the MemoryMixer Design Studio. Today we are going to be talking about different ways that you could create your Christmas card. Now, the same principles apply if you wanted to make announcements or invitations, but today we're really just focusing on the designs of a Christmas card. So let's get started. I have MemoryMixer open, and what we're going to do is start from scratch. Now, name our album Christmas Cards 2017. So now the next thing we're going to choose is what shape our card is going to be. Do we want it to be a landscape or a portrait? Today I'm going to focus on a 5x7, which is a very standard card. Did you know that we actually print cards at MemoryMixer, not just photo books? Yes, we have beautiful cards, and we'll print on the front and on the back. And now you can even custom design your envelope. So we are going to show you all of those options throughout our little Christmas card workshop. So I think right now you can choose landscape or portrait. We're going to go ahead and start with a portrait. And then we'll just say OK. And now we're going to start with a blank page. And the first thing I like to do, I assume on your Christmas card you may want to put a photo. If you do, I think the easiest thing, and we will start with a blank page, I'll just say OK, is to add photo boxes. So I'll come up to my edit photo and use the add photo box tool here, and that will just drop a photo box onto my page. Now I can find inspiration all over for cards I want to use. You can go to Pinterest and type in Christmas cards, photo cards. You could even go to Google and search that way. So once you find your inspiration that you're looking for, and it's easy, then you can come and create it in MemoryMixer. So all different kinds of different photo cards. We have made a template that makes it really easy for you. But a few things that I want to get started with, and that is selecting the guides for your 5x7 card. So you're going to come up here into View. Now, I also want to point out sometimes the Snap to Grid can be turned on accidentally. So if you are trying to move an embellishment and it's just not going how you think it should go, come here and check, because often the Snap to Grid can be turned on. So you'll just want to uncheck that. Guides, I'm going to come here, and it's already selected 5x7, which is the size we want to work on. Normally, MemoryMixer opens up to a photo book trim area. So we'll just go ahead and click on, oh, I just accidentally turned it off, actually. So I'll come back here, turn that on. So now when you go to have this printed, it's this little gray area that would actually be trimmed off. So you just want to make sure you don't put anything critical in those areas. Okay, a little bit about why I like to use a photo box rather than just dragging over my template or just dragging over my photos is because your photo card is going to be a certain size and you want your picture to fit within that size. So I'm going to come here and browse to my photos, my pictures, and I'm just going to open my sample photos. So I can shape it to be however I want without distorting my picture. So maybe I really want the front to mostly be a photo, and then I'm just going to leave a Christmas message below. If I wanted to add a matte to it, I could come here, select the matte size. I could also change the color, say OK. I could add a drop shadow too if I want to add a little dimension to my card. And then if I want to add a background, just like if you're building an album, you would go ahead and select your background. And then you could drag your card in. So this picture, for example, is a horizontal picture, but I can still use it in a portrait. And that is the thing that is so nice about using a photo box to bring my photo in. Now I can come here to my crop window and I can position it how I want as well. So that is just really a slick, quick time-saving tool to use a photo box. So you can see how you can just go ahead and build the rest of your card and then just create a second page For the background, sometimes I like to just duplicate that first page if I have the background and some embellishments I want. But that's how easy it is to build from scratch. So easy. Find some inspiration. Maybe you already have an idea in your mind. I hope this has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our additional tutorials. In this Christmas card series, you will also learn how to create a photo card from a quick mix, how to create our custom envelopes, and how to import a page you've already designed, and how to use our card templates. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you in our next class in this workshop. Happy mixing!